In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove objects from photo in Google Gemini. We're going to walk through a simple, reliable way to erase unwanted elements from a photo using natural language prompts. The process is straightforward. Open your Gemini account, upload your image, tell Gemini exactly what you want removed, and let it generate the edited result. I'll give you clear wording and a few practical tips so you get the cleanest outcome possible. Start by opening your Gemini account in your browser or the official app. Make sure you're signed in and on a stable internet connection. For best results, use a clear image in a common format like JPG or PNG and avoid extremely small or heavily compressed files, since higher quality input helps Gemini reconstruct the background more naturally after removing an object. Next, click the plus icon. This is where you attach your photo. You can select your file from your device and confirm it appears in the chat or compose area. Give it a moment to finish uploading. You should see a thumbnail preview once it's ready. If you accidentally chose the wrong image, simply remove it and reattach the correct one before moving on. Now, enter your prompt. Be direct and specific so Gemini understands the exact edit you want. Identify the object and, if helpful, mention its location. Clear phrasing makes a big difference. For example, instead of a vague request, try something like, "Remove the dog from this image and fill in the background naturally." If the object is in a particular area, you can add, "in the lower left corner." Keeping your instruction concise and unambiguous helps Gemini rebuild the scene seamlessly. Type your instruction, then press submit. At this point, wait patiently while Gemini processes the request. You may see a loading indicator or brief delay as it analyzes the photo, removes the object, and reconstructs the surroundings. This step can take a moment, especially with larger images or complex backgrounds, so avoid clicking around or resubmitting too quickly. When the result appears, look closely at edges, shadows, and textures to judge how natural the edit feels. If something doesn't look quite right, maybe a faint outline remains or the background pattern needs to blend better. Adjust your wording and submit again using clearer context, like the object's color or position. Small prompt refinements often lead to a cleaner, more realistic removal. And that's it. Open Gemini, click the plus icon to upload, enter a precise prompt, submit, and wait for the generated result. With clear instructions and a little patience, removing unwanted objects becomes fast and surprisingly seamless.